run a template platform called Astrae, and after getting our first 50 paying users after our first launch, I realized that our pricing page was actually holding us back. The messaging was quite vague, and then the tiers weren't differentiated enough, and we didn't explain who each plan was for. And that's a problem, especially now that I'm trying to switch to a subscription model. This week, I decided to redesign the entire pricing page, and in this video, I'll walk you through the strategy, the design changes, and why these small UX details could unlock thousands in monthly revenue for us. So here's what the old pricing page looked like. It wasn't bad, but it didn't convert well. There was no clear description of who each plan was for, and the differences between the plans were minimal, and we didn't help people enough to decide. We also had one-time pricing at $9.99, which worked to get us started, but it wasn't sustainable long-term. So to make Astrae a real business, I'm shifting to a monthly subscription. So the question became, how do I design a pricing page that actually sells? That's where the redesign starts. Let me walk you through the thinking behind the new page. So first, we restructured the plans. So we have the free starter, the pro, and then the agency. So these align with real user types. So we have beginner devs, solo freelancers, and then full-time builders, and also agencies or teams. So each plan now has a short, clear description and who it's for section to reduce friction. And we also added a compare plans table, so users can scan exactly what they get at each level, like client project usage, Figma files, bonus components, and a whole lot. And now there's also a section at the bottom for people who want a custom site built for them. This links them to my agency, Studio IX, that gives us an upsell path without being too pushy. So aside that, we also rewrote the CTA section to make it more short and punchy and focus more on action, which is start building better websites today. It's a really small change, but I think it will be a really powerful one for us. There's still a bit left to do with the core platform itself. We are making sure templates are fully responsive. We are optimizing the page speed, and then we are tightening up the admin plus user dashboards. But this pricing page is really key because it sets the tone for how we are going to present Astrae going forward. So I'm working with my partner who's a designer to knock this out. And the goal is to hit 10K MRR by the end of the year. And this is one of the levers that I think will get us there. So yeah, if you're into product design, indie SaaS, or want to just follow my full journey of building Astrae publicly, then subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing everything, the wins, the mistakes, and what it really takes to build a digital product and turn it into a business. And if you've got any ideas or feedback for the pricing page, drop them in the comments and let's get building in public properly. Yeah. And in my next video, I'll be going over and sharing the strategies that helped us get our first 50 paying users. So if you're excited for that, turn on the post notifications and subscribe. I'll be dropping that tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.